What do I wear? Okay, I have nothing to wear, obviously. Nothing. Not a thing. Ah, perfect. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a video on how I created my 12-piece capsule wardrobe. This video is also in collaboration with Poshmark because Poshmark is actually an app that I've been using for years. And I absolutely love it because when you're spring cleaning and you're cleaning out your closet, you find all of these clothes that you don't like anymore, or maybe they don't fit you right anymore. And you know, sometimes they're still in really good condition. So a great way to create a capsule wardrobe to save money and to make money is to use Poshmark to sell all of the clothes that you would normally throw out to create this capsule wardrobe. So I've talked about capsule wardrobes on my channel before. They're an awesome way to save money, for one thing, because you aren't constantly buying new clothes. Also to stay organized because, you know, there's less things to keep in your closet to organize. And they're also gonna help you save time in the morning when choosing an outfit because you only have a few pieces to choose from to create a really cute outfit that you know is gonna look good on you, instead of having a whole closet of stuff that you know maybe doesn't even look cute on you. So like, why do you have it? I don't know. I do that too. What am I saying? Only keeping these 12 pieces of clothing, that's not gonna work for me at the moment, just because I have my YouTube clothes that I like wear on the weekend. And then I also go to a private school where I have to have a uniform. So I have a ton of khakis, polos, sweaters, that kind of thing. But I did want to lay out my top 12 pieces. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, first is to get rid of all the things in your closet that you don't want anymore and to sell them on Poshmark. I've seriously made like over $100 on here selling my triangle swimsuits, and so I love selling all of my little things. And then I just go and spend that money on more things. But I actually got this top from Poshmark. But anyway, today is about simplifying. So first I like to take a picture of my piece I'm selling. Of course, you want to make sure it's a good picture. You can put it on yourself or take a picture of it laying on the ground. I also recommend taking a picture of the label, especially if that's like a selling point. You know, if it's a Gucci purse, you need to show it's a Gucci purse. But I don't have a Gucci purse to sell, so we're just selling this cotton on flannel. Some other brands you can find within the app are Nike, Adidas, Michael Kors, and a personal favorite, Lululemon. Then you get to add all the details about your item into Poshmark: the size, the colors, the retail price, and the price that you're going to be selling it for. I'll have the link in the description box to where you can download Poshmark app for free and the link to my closet. And I'd love to know your Poshmarks, so give me your @ handle in the comments.
Truth is, I really don't mind. Only got my youth for a minute, no lie. Gotta put the use millennial inside. Medium, I choose a pen in my windpipes. Oh yeah, I've been away for too long. I miss the bay I'm too fond of. Certain ways of the past, part of aging is having to find a road. Some time ago, 09 or so, I listened to a loop I couldn't rhyme the notes. True. Maybe superstar might allude too far, but I'd like to know, is it possible? The snowball has got a road. I'm giving it time, a vision designed by living positioned within little distance to the lights. My closing eyes been open wide. It's so damn bright, but I don't mind.
Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends so they can all create some capsule wardrobes too. Also, don't forget to check out Poshmark and check out my closet if you want to buy some pieces from my closet. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay happy, guys. Bye. Peace out.